Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Rahmat Shukri Mikail bin Muhammad Nohadi and I am a student from SK Felda Chumome. Today, I would like to present a book review on a meaningful and interesting story entitled The Gardener Who Forgot What's Matter. Writing by Atira Faika and published by Pustaka Gedong Ilmu. This book belongs to the fiction genre and is very suitable for upper primary students because of its simple language and valuable moral lesson. The story about an elderly couple who live peaceful in a quiet village. They enjoy a simple and happy life together. One day, they receive a mysterious package. They assume that package contains something they have been waiting for. However, they are surprised to find only strange seed inside. Without hesitation, the old man planted the seed, hoping it will grow into a fruit tree such as an apple tree. Surprisingly, the seed grew very quickly after just one watering. Soon, the tree produced mysterious fruit. Out of curiosity, they pick one fruit and cut it open. To their shock, they find a gold coin inside the fruit. They become very excited because they believe they have found a way to become rich. Every day, they happily collect fruit filled with gold coin. As time passed, they begin to change. They buy many luxurious items and slowly stop interacting with their neighbor. They become greedy and focus only on collecting wealth. Their neighbors start to feel strange about their behavior. Unfortunately, because they are too excited about the gold, they forget to water the magical tree. Eventually, the tree dries up and dies. The fruit no longer grows, and their source of wealth disappears. At that moment, they realize their mistake, but it's already too late. Feeling regretful, they remember the neighbor they had neglected. To apologize, they organize a simple tea gathering and invite everyone. Their neighbor come and accept their apology. In the end, the couple learns that love, friendship, and community are far more important than wealth, especially in old age. There are many strengths in this book. Firstly, the language used is simple and easy to understand, making it suitable for young reader. Secondly, the storyline is interesting with element of mystery and fantasy. The magical tree is a creative symbol that represents greed and its conquest. The book also introduces some new and interesting vocabulary that can help improve student English. From this book, we can learn several important moral values. Firstly, we must not be greedy because greedy can lead to loss. Secondly, we should appreciate the people around us because relationships are more valuable than money. Thirdly, we must be responsible and not neglect our duty. Lastly, it is important to admit our mistake and make amends. In conclusion, The Gardener Who Forgot What's Matter is a meaningful and educational story. It reminds us that true happiness does not come from money, but from love, care, and strong relationship with others. I highly recommend this book to all students because it is both enjoyable and full of valuable lessons. That's all for me. Thank you.